What makes SEC642 a great course? So first of all, it's the advanced web app pen testing course. And so if you look at the traditional web app pen testing course, the 542, we try to go in and give pen testers a skill set in the common web application flaws you might see and how you test for them. 642, we are looking at a deeper level of flaw. We're looking at some more advanced attacks, so cryptographic attacks, how programming languages kind of take things and use them differently, issues where the application pen testers may not have any familiarity with. So we give them new skill set that they can instantly use. That's the idea there.